So now we're gonna go to Crazy Games and try this game, Mortal Kombat Karnage. So it was released in 2020. Okay, the platform just browser. So pretty much the controls is up arrow key jump, and this is pretty easy to play out. So this is with HTML5 and Unity WebGL. So let's give it a try. And I'm gonna choose single player. I'm gonna choose arcade mode, and let's go for, let me see which one, I don't know, let's go for this one, and just, I don't know, novice. And yeah, this might take a while. Okay, so press
round fight.
Okay, so oops, oh man. Okay, so with the letter A I can pretty much punch. With D I can pretty much, okay, this is the wasp. Okay, I can kick with D. Okay, alright, so I win. Let me see.
Fight.
Oh, I don't know how I did that, but let me see which one I am. Oh man, now I get it. Okay, so I am the, oh man. Okay.
Sub-Zero.
Okay, so I win or I lose. Let me see. Okay, so I won. Okay.
Round fight.
Alright. Alright, so I'm kicking with the letter A. Okay. Okay, so I'm just pretty much pressing A and D as to A to punch. Okay. And
round fight.
Okay, so let me see if I can.
Sub-Zero.
Oh man. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. So I'm advancing and moving to the next opponent.
Round fight.
Okay, so I'm just, okay, so I can jump as well. Okay, so let me try with AD. Okay, so just a combination of kicks and oh man, this dude. Man, this dude. Whoa, chill out. Oh man, he beat me.
Round fight.
So let me see if I can do this. Okay, so let's keep to the next opponent.
Round fight.
Let me see. Damn. Okay, Sub-Zero.
Round fight. Finish him.
Alright, so let me.
Sub-Zero wins.
Okay, so yeah, I won. Let me see if I can. I wanna pick another
Round
fighter,
fight.
but maybe it's gonna be next time.
Sub-Zero wins.
Alright.
Round fight.
Uh-oh.
Wins.
Yeah, he beat me
Round
this time.
fight. Sub-Zero wins.
Let me see if I can. Alright, so I won. Okay, so what else now? Okay, single, two player, how to play, content, single player, so okay, another, so I'm gonna pick this time, I'm gonna pick this dude. Let me see now, let's put it, yeah, that's fine, so novice, and let me see who I'm gonna fight this time. Okay, so I'm gonna find myself.
Round fight.
Who I am. Okay, and hey. Hey. Okay, so
Wins.
okay, so I don't know if I lost.
Round fight.
Okay.
Fight.
Oh man. Man, I don't even know. Okay, so I am the one in the floor. Okay, okay, now. Damn it.
Cabal wins.
Let me see if I. Okay, so if I press, for example, um, I'm pressing the arrow towards my right 2 times, and then I'm pressing A. I have this power, so 2 times, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Let me see if I press again the arrow towards my right 2 times, and then the 1, 2, 3. Nothing is happening. Let me see if I press. Okay, so that's the only power up that I have. Okay, so okay, so yeah, let's keep playing.
Round fight.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm pressing towards my left, and then I'm pressing the letter A. Okay, so I won.
Round fight.
Okay, that's kind of cool. So now let's keep fighting. Hey, chill out. Alright, yeah, I'm kinda getting used to this. Okay, and these games, as you can see, is pretty much HTML with Unity WebGL. So let's see. Okay, they're using the style. Let's
Round fight.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay.
Round
1, 2, 3.
fight.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then A. Okay, so I win. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Die.
Wins.
Okay, that's cool. And let me see, this is gonna be my final opponent.
Round fight.
Okay, so we are playing with the power ups now. Energy, whoa, energy beams.
Round fight. Wins.
Alright, yeah, it's pretty good. So as you can see, this is pretty much okay. So I have one more contender, but yeah, this is pretty much the game that we can play with um, Unity and HTML5. As you can see, the controls are pretty easy to follow. Up arrow key, jump. You have the left right arrow key, move left right. We have also the punch, the kick. Okay, as you can see, punch is save, D is kick, S is guard, left click is confirm. Okay, so this is with the crazy games that we have already here. And okay, so here also we have the Unity. So as you can see, we have, I don't know, we have here a cylinder, and we can, okay, so we cannot see it, but if we click in the camera, let me see. Okay, now if I focus the camera, now we can see, as you can see here in the main camera. And if we go to the game now, we are going to be able to see the cylinder.